In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Ads conversion tracking for your Wix website step by step. Whether you want to track leads, measure sales, or understand how your ads are performing, this simple guide will walk you through everything you need to know so you can track conversions effectively and confidently. First, head over to your Wix dashboard and make sure you're logged into the correct site. Once you're there, look for the Home option. This is your main starting point, where you can access all the essential tools Wix provides to manage and grow your website, so follow along carefully. Next, navigate to the marketing section. The marketing tools are extremely important because this is where Wix allows you to connect your site with advertising platforms like Google Ads. Once inside the marketing section, click on Google Ads. Here, you'll see an overview explaining how Wix helps you connect and optimize Google Ads directly from the platform. After reviewing the information, click on Start Advertising. This begins the setup process for Google Ads and conversion tracking. At this stage, Wix may ask you to publish your site if it isn't already live. Make sure your website is published, because Google Ads conversion tracking only works properly when your site is accessible to visitors. Next, ensure that your site is upgraded to a premium plan. Having an upgraded site unlocks important features and improves performance, which is essential for running effective Google Ads campaigns. After upgrading, connect a custom domain to your site. A custom domain helps establish brand trust and makes your website look more professional and reliable to both users and Google. Once these steps are completed, Wix will automatically guide you through the remaining setup needed to connect Google Ads and enable conversion tracking. These settings work together to ensure your ads can track actions like purchases, form submissions, or other important conversions on your site. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to set up Google Ads conversion tracking for your Wix website and start measuring your advertising performance more accurately. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions.